Hello guys, today we will start with the alphabet of the universe, which is the periodic table. For the first look to the periodic table, we feel like we have a lot of numbers, we have a lot of symbols, we have capital letters, we have small letters, we have different vertical lines and horizontal lines, and you feel like confused a little bit. But this is the place of all elements that group together here, and they're classified according to their Proton number. As I told you before, the Proton number is the fingerprint of the elements. You never find two elements have the same Proton number. So let's start with more details. For the first look, you see you have a lot of things like this, which is like columns. So the columns in the periodic tables are called groups, alright? They are called groups. And we have like two different types of groups. We have a group A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, and we have the group B. We have 3B, 4B, blah, 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 yeah? Alright? And we have the horizontal lines in the periodic table. The horizontal lines are called periods. Okay. But my next question is, what is the relation between the Proton number and the position of an element in the periodic table? You feel like I'm confused a little bit of this question. Let's take a random piece of periodic table, which is magnesium atom. As we told you before, we have two numbers in the atom here. We have big number and a small number. The small number here is called the Proton number, and I told you it is the identity of the element. So the Proton number is equal to the electron number. So we will try to distribute the electrons, the 12 electrons of magnesium atom inside the atom. So let's drawing the nucleus first. We draw the first shell, which is occupied by 2 electrons. And then we draw the second shell, which is occupied by 8 electrons, which is the maximum capacity. And we draw the third shell, which is occupied by 2 electrons. So the electronic distribution becomes 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and 2 electrons in the third shell. So according to the rules, it says the number of shells is equal to the number of period. So we have 3 shells. We have shell number 1, shell number 2, and shell number 3. So we have 3 shells. The valence electrons equals to the group number. What was meaning of electron or valence electron? Valence electrons equals to the electrons in the outer shell. So we have 2 electrons in the outer shell, and they are equal to the group number. So the group number is 2. But how to apply this thing here? How to apply the magnesium atom location in the periodic table? Let's take here. We know like magnesium atom locates in period number 3 and a group number 2. So we have group number 2, which is the vertical lines. So we put a line, and then it locates in period number 3, which is here. So the cross section here leads to tell us that magnesium atom locates and accurately placed here. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe me, and thanks a lot.